Hey everyone, I'm Rohan from One Stop Solution, and in this video I will show you how to turn off your active status on Instagram. Disabling your active status can give you more privacy by hiding your online presence from others. So let's get started on how to turn off active status on Instagram. Start by opening the Instagram app on your device. Go to your profile by tapping on the profile icon at the bottom right. Now, tap the hamburger icon at the top right corner of the screen. Scroll down and tap on Messages and Story Replies. Then in the menu, tap on Show Activity Status. Tap on the toggle box next to Show Activity Status to turn it off. And that's how you can turn off active status on Instagram. Thank you for watching One Stop Solution. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment below if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss our upcoming videos.